Hello, and welcome to 80 Productions. We are stationed at CP 39 in Dunkirk, New York on July 11th, 2018. On this beautiful summer evening, we would find a westbound intermodal train led by an ES-40DC. Now let's watch as this train passes underneath the classic Penn Central era Tri-Light signal bridge. Moving east 2 miles, we are now at CP 37 on CSX's Erie West subdivision. Here we see a westbound CSX Autorack train pass the classic bracket signal just 2 weeks before its removal. The removal of this fixture happened prematurely due to the new signal bridge being too close to the old ones for visibility purposes. As of the release of this video, the other 2 signals on the other side of the control point are still active, and the new signal bridge is activated and working, still on the old system, however. As the classic glow of red and green on these tri-lights glimmers on, we move to the Norfolk Southern tracks and see at Norfolk Southern 14M as we drive along the street paralleling the tracks. Setting our cameras up at this crossing, we are now in position for Norfolk Southern eastbound manifest 310. Today's 310 was extremely long, as it was a test train with dead position units in the middle of the consist. Now let's watch as this extremely rare sight on the Lake Erie district passes our cameras. With the end of Norfolk Southern 310 leaving Sheridan, New York behind, we thank you for watching AD Productions, and we hope you enjoyed this video. Happy rail fanning and train chasing.